guys, it's Mike. And recently I acquired a bus. This is going to be a project for me and my lovely girlfriend to work on to get to go on trips together. This is a 1992 Bluebird TC 2000 with a 5.9 liter Cummins diesel. So to start out, the bus does need a little work. There is a busted windshield, obviously a headlight broken, turn signal. The bus was a former U.S. Marshal bus that has 35,000 miles actual, and it's got dents, dings all over it, needs straightened up, but overall it's a very solid vehicle to get started with. You don't need a front tire, it's got a slice in it. I'm not going to want to drive on that, but overall it's just dirty and dinged up. It's got good back drive tires, and you see it's still got the bars on the window, it's got mesh over top too. It's got a big old hasp back here to keep you inside, so you can't escape if you don't want to. Just generally not the most pretty bus in the world, but a very solid start for mine and my lovely girlfriend's project. So let's take a look inside. A little more about the engine. It's a 12-valve Cummins, 5.9 liter, turbocharged engine, extremely low mileage, very reliable engines, will run for practically ever, and obviously it's been pretty well maintained being a fleet vehicle. The engine starts right up every time, no issue. The engine is honestly surprisingly quiet, runs well, drives well. It's a very good start mechanically for what we're doing here. Continuing into the cockpit, we've got gear selector, parking brake, obviously the light controls, mechanical shut-off for the engine. You've got your controls for your heater, your heater and your air conditioner there and here. You've got all your light controls for the interior lights and such, and your rear heat controls. You've got radio built right in. You've got a big hefty sun visor so you don't get blinded going down the road. And you got a window that opens both forwards and backwards. This bus is the 24-passenger model. You can tell by the bracketry here, and all the way down through that there was actually a barricade wall in at one point. It was removed prior to me purchasing it, but obviously it makes things easier because we don't want the barricade wall in for what we're doing anyways. So what we're going to be doing is taking all these seats out back through here, the guard seats out up front there, because they're not going to be the most comfortable for a trip. And then we're going to install what we need to make this into our adventure rig. So the bus is equipped with 2 independent air conditioners ran off of separate compressors. You've got one back here in the back of the bus, and you've got one up here in the front for the front end. So you'll be able to efficiently cool the vehicle going down the road. We have to recharge the one in the back. It has a slight leak we'll have to repair first. But as far as that goes, that's a minor detail when it comes to everything, because everything else there is installed, ready to go, has a working compressor and everything. So all we have to do is just find out where the leak is in the back and carry on from there. So that's a quick intro of the bus that's going to be used for conversion. If you like what you see here, hit like. If you'd like to see more content as we're coming out with it, hit subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for viewing, and we'll catch you next time.